We're an IT services company, and I think really a full spectrum company. We do everything for our clients, from planning and budgeting to providing lots of hardware and software, and then we make it all work. We put it in place, we configure it, and we look after it.
We deal with enterprise class servers as well as small business servers for clients that range from very large to over 100 employees down to very small clients that could be, 10 employees to 20 employees.
Well, a couple things I found about InTech. When we go out and we actually look for business partners to work with, we're looking for partners that want to stay current on technologies, because it's obviously very important to be a consultant to your clients. It's very important that you have a broad range of skills, because it's getting more complex to bring solutions to customers. And you've got to have a wide range of capabilities to do the best job for the customer that you're servicing. And lastly, working in a small community, you've really got to develop long-term relationships with your clients. Yeah, from a technical perspective, I've been very impressed with the way that they've grasped new technologies.
Virtualization is really a relatively new technology and is becoming more mainstream for the larger clients as well as the smaller clients. So it really does fit every range.
We certainly have a major emphasis on customer service.
We basically decided to outsource our whole IT function, even though we've got some incredibly bright IT people here. I think the amazing thing about InTech, from Scott, the owner, on down to everybody, is they're like us, and culturally we fit together.
We brought Scott from InTech into the process very early when we were exploring the electronic health records. Scott came in our research group from the very beginning, and he really focused on what is all the background that we need.
At InTech, we have a great group of systems engineers and programmers that can take care of all of our clients. And we treat every client as if they are the #1 client that we have.
The relationships that we have with our clients are extremely important to us. And I think that we've emphasized that with all of our people. It's an important thing to them as well.
We definitely feel that the personal touch with InTech is what our practice needs. Our company needs the FaceTime. We need the person that we can call, and we can call Craig specifically, or Greg, or Scott. And we know they will call us, email us, text us as soon as we need them.
They've been fantastic. Todd Eistman, who's our day-to-day guy, I think if you ask anybody in our office, he feels like one of our employees.
Essentially, there's times that we feel like Craig works only for Retina-Vitreous Associates, and he might feel that way too. We really feel that just like we give our patients the personal touch, that we needed the local company to be a part of our company, and they really are.
For many of our clients, we are their IT department. We provide all of their IT services from beginning to end.
Well, we were moving into current day network, and we ended up talking with Scott at that time, and he convinced us that what they had to offer was the right thing for us.
We probably have 60 or 70 computers in the building for 50 people, and if our technology's down, we're out of luck.
Well, being in the medical industry and with HIPAA regulations, we know that patient demographics and patient information has to be at the top security. The folks at InTech they do everything for us. They troubleshoot all aspects of our hardware needs, our software needs.
Todd is very comfortable in our building. I've texted him evenings and weekends, or called him on a cell phone with issues I've had.
Their service is excellent. They're responsive. They help us out as soon as we need them. They work overnight for us at times. They accommodate our schedules. They work off hours for us constantly. When we need them to be somewhere, they're there.
IT is a very personal issue. There's a lot of stuff that goes on in that area, and they've been great. So we've been very pleased with whether it's replacing servers or dealing with email issues or dealing with whatever, we chose to outsource, and it's worked really well for us. And they're good people.
InTech has been a great customer to work with in this community. We can't stress how important it is to have local business partners that you can rely on. So it's very difficult when you're working with somebody out of Cleveland or Detroit to get their attention and their time, whereas the people in InTech have been very professional, extremely responsive to the market they work with, and just provided a high level of service to the customers they work with.
It's much more comfortable for us to have people that we can reach and know that we can physically have here in a matter of an hour and a half or whatever it is.
I would never outsource this function over the internet. To have the ability to have somebody here that our people can relate to and I can relate to is everything. And if we had to pay a little bit more to deal with somebody here, that's very important to me. So these guys are great.
There's a lot of demand for what we do, and we are interested to tap that. I mean, I think that we'd like to continue to grow. I think it's good for all of us to be in a growth environment. It makes for an interesting workplace and an exciting one, and one in which we can continue to attract good folks and attract good clients as well.
It's just a company we've enjoyed having a relationship with, and they provide a valuable service for us.
And they're great, they're hometown, and they're good at what they do. I'd recommend them to anybody. I think they're awesome.